Okay, guys, this is it. This is it. I'm going to Chesapeake next week on Monday to play against the Bayhawks. Bluebirds versus Bayhawks. Yeah. This better not get postponed this time, yo. I'm playing. Better not be postponed. Yeah, I really hope it doesn't get postponed again. Trust me, I really wanted to go to Lansdowne, but it got postponed due to the weather. It's annoying. It really is. But that's in the past. But I need to tell you guys something about me and soccer. I am pretty fast and kind of tall, and I can be pretty good on defense, and also shooting too. When I shoot the ball, it's gonna come at you like a rocket, an actual rocket. So next week's gonna be a bird battle, bluebirds and bayhawks. Yeah, I'm ready. I am ready. I'll always be ready. Plus, yeah, so I'm gonna use my powerful kick to score a goal. Yeah. Oh yeah. One more thing. We play on Monday, so it's the Kenwood Bluebirds at the Chesapeake Bayhawks.